Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to use my donation board. I updated it quite a lot since the last video, so I wanted to teach you how to use everything at it. So let's go. So first thing you're gonna do is go to the link in the description. It will send you to this page. You're gonna click on get model. I already have it, so it says Drawing Studio. When you get the model, you need to go to your studio, click on toolbox, and then you click on the model right here. It is right here. You see it is in the workspace. If you don't have the Explorer tab, go to view, and then right here you have the Explorer. Also open properties if you don't have it. First thing you're gonna do is open the folder, and then you're gonna see a delete me. You're gonna right click it and then click delete. So the first thing is the donation board does not use game passes, it uses developer products. To make a developer product, first thing you're gonna do is click on game settings in the home tab, game settings right here. To access it, first you need to save your game. Let me donation board tutorial video. All right, save. Now you need to wait until it saves. It will reopen your studio. And then when it opens again, you will have access to the game settings. So you click it, and then this will appear. First thing you're gonna do is go to security and enable this, enable studio access to API services. So yeah, click save. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do to make developer product is go to game settings again, then monetization, scroll down and you will see this, developer products, and then you click create. It will make a new developer product. You click on these three dots and then edit. Let me put this as 5, save. I'm gonna make one for 10. 10 and 10, save, and I'll make one for 100. Edit 100, save. Okay, now I have 3 developer products, one for 5 Robux, another one for 10, and the last one for 100. So if I click play, you will see it will not pop up in the donation board right here. It is not in the donation board, as you can see. So to make it appear in the donation board, you're gonna go to the workspace, Parks donation board, extra, and then you will find this keywords. You open it, double click it, and you'll find this. Right now there are 6 keywords. So how this works is, if your developer product has one of those keywords in its name, it will automatically add it to the donation board. So I didn't add any of those, so let me do it real quick. I'm gonna use Dono and Bobux, for example. So game settings, monetization, edit, 5 Bobux, save. Monetization, 10 Dono, save. And I'm not gonna add the 100 just now. So if I turn now, as you can see, it is right here. I can click it and buy it. Both works. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you want all of your developer products to appear, and you don't wanna keep adding the keyword to the name, you can just add a new line right here. You click right here and then press enter, and then you add a blank string. By doing this, it will automatically detect all of your developer products, even if it doesn't have any of the keywords in the name. As you can see, the 100 is right here, and it works too. Yeah. So next thing I'm gonna show you is the configuration. This will allow you to customize your donation board. So there's a lot of stuff to customize actually. So I'll start from the bottom. Update rate. This right here is how often your donation board updates. So it is at 25 now, so it will update every 25 seconds. So if I press play right now, oops, as you can see, it says updating in 22 seconds. It will go down. When it reaches zeros, it will say updating, and then it will start all over again and then update. Yeah, okay, you get it. There's top 1 animation, top 2 animation, top 3 animation. Those are the animations that the dummies will be playing. So to get one, it's not that simple. You have to go to Roblox. Let me open real quick. Roblox. You go to the marketplace. You can, by the way, you can use any animation. It doesn't have to be from the marketplace. I'm just gonna use the marketplace because it's easier. Oops. And then you go to animations, emotes, right here. So I'm gonna use this one, for example. I'm gonna click it. You will need an extension for this, by the way. You will need BT Roblox. And then when you have BT Roblox, this button right here will appear. So when you click it, it will send you to the actual animation. And then you copy the link and you place it right here. I'm gonna put on top 1. And if I press play, it will be playing this animation. Yeah, as you can see, it is playing the animation. If I put this ID right here, it will not work. You have to use BT Roblox to go to the actual animation. So next thing is the theme. This right here is, as you can see right now, it is a white, so everything will be white. The text will be white. The UI will be white. Right here, it's white. Okay. So if I set it to, there's a themes folder, by the way. There's all the themes you can use. You can add your own theme. To add your own theme, you're gonna add a UI gradient, and then in the properties tab, you will gonna click the color, and then clicking these 3 dots, and then right here you can edit the gradient. You can add more points, more colors, and then you can move it to change the colors. Yeah, okay, so if I do this, and then let me rename it to test. So I have the test theme inside the themes folder. So if I go to the configuration and write test right here, when I press play, you will see that, yeah, as you can see, it is using the thing I just made, the theme I just made. It won't be animated at first, and you will understand this later on. So yeah, next thing is max top donors. This right here is how much donators will appear in the top donators. 100 is the max, by the way. So yeah, if I put 50, only top 50 will appear. 100, top 100 will appear. Yeah, data key is how where your donation will be saved. So if you used another donation board before, you can get the data key from that donation board and put right here, and all your donations from that donation board will be loaded in this donation board. And yeah, that's everything for the configuration. I'll be explaining the other stuff that I skipped later. You'll understand why later too. So the next thing is the blacklist. This right here is makes so people cannot donate to you. I don't know why you would use this, but someone asked for it, so I just added it. And yeah, you just add their username or user ID right here, and they won't be able to donate. So if I click play right now, after I added myself to the blacklist, if I click on a donation, blacklist, you are blacklisted. If you think this is a mistake, please contact the game owner. Yeah, you cannot donate at all. Alright, so the last thing is the announcements. This right here is to customize the announcements that appears after you donate. For now, I will be only explaining this and the chat stuff. So first thing is Robux. This right here is the range that will use this configuration. So like if someone donates between 1 and 99 Robux, this configuration will be used to their announcement. So if I set chat announcement to false, the donation will not be announced in the chat, but if I leave it at true, it will. Let me set this to false real quick. Okay, so if I press play, so now if I donate 5 Robux, right here. So that's the chat announcement. You can customize it more, so like if you set this to false, it will not appear in the chat. You can change the color of the text. So if I put this at purple and then press play, let me donate 5. Now it is purple. There's the font. So right now it is at Garden Black, but I can put it as, for example, I'll put it as Rodoka 1. If I press play, the font of the announcement will be changed to, let me donate real quick. Yeah, as you can see, the font changed. There's the layout, so player has donated amount Robux. So if I put player spent Robux in this game, so if I press play, it will use the new thing. Right here. So yeah, that's all. So now what I'm gonna be showing you is the premium stuff. One thing I forgot to tell you is that the chat announcement will only work if you are in my group. The group will be in the description. When you join the group, the chat announcement will work. So what I'm gonna show you now is the premium stuff. So everything now, to work, you will need to have the premium game pass. It will be in the description too. It's this right here. It costs 750 Robux. So yeah, when you buy this, the premium stuff will work in all of your games. So if you have your donation bar in this game and another game, and both are owned by you, the premium features will work in both games. But if you have a group, you have to be the group owner. So if you put a game inside a group, but your friends own the group, the premium features will not work unless your friend has the premium game pass. So make sure that you own the group you're gonna use the donation board on. The first thing I'm gonna show is right here in the configuration. It is the team animation and team speed. So if I click play right now, you will see that the team is already animated. I can go to the configuration, and if I lower the speed, it will be faster. So yeah, I should probably change this name, but whatever. If I put it 0.5, it will be faster. I can enable and disable it. Yeah. If I make it bigger, it will be slower. So the team appears in basically everything. Yeah. The next thing I'm gonna show you is main color, secondary color, and font. Those were recently added. So the first thing is the main color. Right now it is at 50, 50, 50, 50. So if I put this as dark purple and I press play, you will see that if I open any of the UIs right here, it is purple. Options, premium features, right here, purple. Yeah. Custom message, purple. And then you can change the secondary color that are the button colors. So if I go to secondary color and change this to, I don't know, super bright pink, I don't know, you'll see that it is pink, get bored, pink, premium features pink, everything will be pink. Okay. And then there's the font. This is the font that the donation board will use. You can click it, and so for example, let me put on press start to P. You can put it as bold or italic. I'm gonna put this on. So if I press play, all of the fonts are changed. Yeah, right here. So now the last thing left to show you in the configuration is custom message and custom message character limit. So the custom message is something that I think my donation board was the first one to have. So if you click right here 100, this appears custom message. On credits to the guy that gave me the idea, you are about to donate 100 Robux, allowing you to send a custom message with your donation announcement. You can see the preview at the top of your screen. Press enter for it to update. Your message will be filtered. So make sure you look at the preview before sending it, because it will be filtered. So if I say hello, if I press enter, it will update the preview. The filter does not work in Studio, so I cannot show you right now. So I can put anything right here, it won't be filtered because I'm in Studio. So if I press done, it will prompt me to buy the developer product. If I buy it, right here, it shows the chat announcement and then the UI announcement with the custom message. Yeah, and then right here is the custom message character limit, that it is basically how much characters the custom message can have. So if I open it again and spam, see, it locks at 100 characters. Oops, if I change it to like 5, it will only be able to I will only be able to put 5 characters in the message. So let me open it. 5 characters max. 5 right here. 3, 5. Yeah. And the next thing is right here. Minimum donation for custom message. Right now it is at 100. So if I donate 100 or more, I will be able to send a custom message. But if I put it at 150, for example, if I press play and I click the 100 developer product, I will not be able to send a custom message. So you can increase or decrease this value. So the next thing I'm gonna show is the fake dono. To whitelist yourself, you're gonna open this fake dono whitelist inside the extra folder. This will allow for whitelisted people to fake donate. To whitelist someone, you just make a new line, put their username or user ID, and they will be whitelisted. So I just whitelisted myself. So if I go ahead and press play, I can type in chat fake dono 2. This is the amount that you will fake donate and your custom message. This is an optional custom message. I disabled UI announcement for less than 100 Robux, so it didn't show the custom message. But if I do fake dono spam some random number custom message, okay, so yeah, it showed. It didn't show everything because the character limit is at 5, so it only showed the five first characters. So yeah, you can also hide the comment. So you can see right here the comment showed. This shows to everyone. To hide it, you just add a /e at the start. So /e fake dono 1. This is hidden. This right here, you do not own that emote, will not show to everyone, only for you. So the command is hidden. Next thing is the events. This right here allows you to make like custom effects and make a script run when someone donates an amount. To use it, first you need to set the range that will trigger the script. So right here, if someone donates between 5 and 10 Robux, this right here will be printed. So if I donate 5, right here, it printed the message. You can use this for anything related to scripting. So you can make a custom effect, you can activate particles, you can activate a global event or whatever you want. Next we have the chat tags. This will give the rank you want a tag in chat. So right here is the rank. So top 1 will get this tag with this color, top 2 will get this tag with this color, top 3 will get this tag with this color. You can put, for example, 100 equals tag equals to I'm last on the board, color 3, I'm gonna put it as black. Okay, So if you are at top 100, you will get this tag right here with this color. I cannot show you because I'm in Studio and donations does not save in Studio, because it's when you donate in Studio you are not actually donating, you're donating for free, so I made it so it does not save in Studio. Next thing is the announcements. I just closed it. Okay, so I already explained what this does and what the chat stuff does. So oops. So if I enable this and I donate between 1 Robux and 99 Robux, the UI announcement that has the custom message and stuff will appear. You can set it to true or false. And then there's the color right here, the color. If this right here only changes the color behind the player's PFP. So like if I fake Jono one, oops, fake Jono one, right here, it's pink behind the character. And then there's the GIF font, so I can put this, for example, at sci-fi. Let's put it as sci-fi, and then press play. Fake Jono 1A. Changes the font. And then the layout, same thing as the chat. I already explained it. There's the duration. I think I forgot to show the chat side, but it only changes the size of the text. So the duration is how long will the UI be on screen for. So if I put this as at 1, it will be on screen for 1 second. So fake Jono 1A. It stayed for 1 second, then it faded away. And then there's sound effects. You can put the sound ID right here and for how long it will play. So if you don't want to play everything in a sound, you just use this property right here and it will cut when it reaches this second. So this will stop when it reaches 5 seconds. And to add a new configuration, you just copy this entire thing and change it. Always add 1 in this bracket. You will always add 1, and then you can change this. Math.huge is infinite, so if you donate between 500 and infinite, it will use this. The last thing I need to show you is the webhook. This right here will send a message to a Discord channel. So for example, if I set this to true and webhook color, let's put this as green. Yeah, let's put it as green. Player donated amount and now is in a Discord message. So this will be the layout the webhook will be using. But before I test it, what I need to do is go to game settings, and then I go to security and enable allow HTTP requests, and then we click save. By doing that, we will be able to send a request to Discord to actually post our message. And to add the webhook, we're gonna click in the loader, and then in the properties tab right here, it will have a webhook property. It is not in the configuration, so exploiters cannot access the webhook. So yeah. So if I go to my Discord, if I go to my Discord, and I have my server right here, if I go edit channel, integrations, and then webhook, create webhook. donations, and then I click right here, copy webhook URL, and then I go to loader and paste it right here. So wait, make sure to save changes first. So if I go to the game, press play, and then donate 5 Robux, a webhook will be sent to the Discord. It can take a while to send because I gotta make sure that Discord does not block the thing, so it can take a while to send because I have to put the webhook in a queue, so it can take like 5 minutes max, I guess. Okay, so it's sent. It took a minute to send, but yeah, right here, as you can see, it used the layout I put. Username donated 5, and now is in a Discord message. It also shows when it was donated, and right here says new donation and my little logo right here. So I guess that's everything. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comment section, and make sure to join my Discord server. There I will be announcing updates for the donation board, new products, and also helping you if you have any problems with any of my products. So yeah, bye.